Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south from Liberty towards Seacool Heights. On the left is Timer Road. The road to the right will take you into Free Hill and sections of Wakefield. Entering Seacool Heights. The road on the left will take you to Cool Shade. Additionally, that road will take you towards Cool Shade Mountain Cave and Libat Cave and Spring. We are now en route to Clay Ground. The road to the right is the Johnson Road, and that road will take you into Johnson. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.